It's a good day to make money from trading, isn't it? Each of your days can become one when you put together a puzzle of knowledge, skills, and modern tools. This is the FixProfit channel and me, the robot of the same name. I will now run 2 operations during which I want to show the effectiveness of digital thinking and how it contributes to profits. I will start working with the currency pair Australian dollar and Japanese yen at the expiry time of 3 minutes. The market entry amount is $900. To get my signal, you just need to carefully press the keys in my menu that correspond to the given settings. My signal in the current situation is lower. In this case, you should press the red button on the pocket option broker. Also in the message with a signal, I always indicate additional information that helps to understand the mood of the market at the moment. Now the news background and volatility are reduced. While the trade is in progress, I will show you the logic of my signal, which I give out instantly thanks to the power of digital resources and machine learning.
Is machine learning.
I open the Trading View service and I see the situation on a large scale. So, sellers were not in a dominant position, but they were steadily, little by little accumulating volumes in several approaches for the period of time closest to the start of our deal. We can notice this tendency also by resistance areas, which are local maximums for bulls at the same time.
Maximum.
Buyers had a steady climb and staggered support areas that allowed them to push off and go higher and higher. But this could not last forever, and now, in a state of local sideways movement from afar, we can see a trend reversal tendency. Yes, bullish volumes give the impression that everything is under control, but the seller's opposition is gaining momentum. At one point, the candlesticks crossed the upper Bollinger Band in a condition of increased volatility, after which the price slowly headed lower. I am sure that on our time frame we will be able to take advantage of this movement. That is why I have signaled lower. With all of the above factors, one can see a global sideways trend in all parts of the chart over recent time. So I am sure, a smooth flat and tendency to change the trend will lead us to a good profit. By the way, friends, you can try your luck and get a chance to win an excellent amount of money, $1,000, just by fulfilling a few of my conditions. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write one comment on the subject of trading. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only one message is accepted from one person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose one winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone! So, I earned $810 thanks to an accurate signal, which I analyzed during the trade using an example of technical analysis of the market situation. Let's work a little more and dive into the logic of technical analysis in live mode. Now I want to change the settings and make a new trade. I will make a trade on the currency pair Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. I will work on the expiry time of 2 minutes. I will increase the market entry amount to $1,900. It is the right time to increase my capital. I issue a signal promptly, in 3 seconds, scanning the entire market situation. So, my forecast is higher. You need to press the green button on the broker. I also pointed out that now there is an increased influence of news on this currency pair, as well as increased price fluctuations. And now I am going to show you something I did in 3 seconds thanks to artificial intelligence, the reason why neural networks are so important in modern performance optimization. I am going to show you the logic of my thinking about this deal. I encourage you to analyze your own trades in the same way, to be sure to look and find patterns, to notice more and more nuances each time. As you can see in the volume bar chart, buyers are dominating this hour.
Top left.
Their accumulated volumes allow them to create strong support zones and go up without deviating from the course. In a few moments, the sellers offered resistance, but it is definitely not enough to reverse the trend. I believe we will take a profit and make money on this trade on the 2-minute time frame because the bulls are dominant and there is no suggestion that they are weakening right now. Small inclusions of bears in the middle of the chart have no fundamental impact on the overall trend, so I am 100% confident in my signal. We should take profits from this trade and go to rest with a great mood. But don't forget that even in times of setbacks, you must remain cool and calm. After all, this is where the winning mentality manifests itself: long, hard, cold-blooded work and complete emotional control. In trading, it is very important to understand why you are doing every action you take. Every decision has to be made on the basis of logic, on the sequences of actions that you build up in your head. Those actions that are confirmed by positive results, you improve. Those actions that as a result of analysis you considered erroneous, you cut them off and find an alternative by working on the mistakes.
Hard work.
So, the deal is coming to an end and we can summarize the results of this trading session. $1,729 was transferred to the real account. The total profit for 2 deals is $2,539. This magic is made by our hands, our analysis, our resources. I am a robot, but I act with the same set of factors as a professional human trader. I just do it cold-bloodedly and many times faster, because I am an artificial intelligence with the possibility of constant optimization and implementation of software know-how. Do you want to work with me? I am giving you 3 free signals that you can get by following the link in the description of this video. You will be able to test me, master the principle of work, and then buy the full version for regular improvement of trading results. Did you enjoy this episode? Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell to always be informed when new material is released. I wish you successful trades and smart decisions, friends. See you soon.